पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी के प्लेसमेंट्स का कोई रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं, इसलिए टॉप कंपनीज की फर्स्ट चॉइस। आप तो समझ ही गए होंगे। जॉइन पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी, वडोदरा, गुजरात।
Hey there, if you are aiming for a government job in Tamil Nadu, here's something exciting update for you. The TNPSC Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission Group 4 notification for 2025 is officially out and it's time to gear up. So let's dive into the details. So the Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission has released the TNPSC Group 4 notification 2025 on April 25 on its official website. And the Group 4 exam will be held on July 13, 2025 across various exam centers in Tamil Nadu. And a total of 3,935 vacancies have been announced for different posts like junior executive, junior assistant, typist, stenotypist and village administrative officer. And the TNPSC Group 4 notification 2025 released on April 25 and the last date to submit the online application is May 24. And if you need to make any correction to your application, the correction window will be open from May 29 to May 31. And the notification PDF includes important details like eligibility, age limit, and how to apply, selection process, and exam pattern. But last year, the Group 4 notification had 6,244 posts, so this year the number is slightly lower. And the salary for Group 4 posts ranges from 15,000 to 900 and 20,600 along with their other government allowance. And for the aptitude and mental ability test, the syllabus includes like simplification, percentage, HCF, LCM, ratio, and proportion, simple and compound interest, area, volume, time and work, logical reasoning, puzzles, dice and visual reasoning, alphanumeric reasoning and number series. Well, this exams is great opportunity for those looking to get a government job in Tamil Nadu. And the TNPSC Group 4 syllabus 2025 covers several important subjects including Indian economy, Indian polity, history and culture of India and geography. So let's dive into the details. Number 1, Indian economy. Well, Indian economy, this section focuses on the nature of the Indian economy and covering topics like the 5-year plans, their effectiveness and the role of institutions like the Planning Commission and Niti Aayog. And it also includes sources of government revenue and the function of the Reserve Bank of India and the Finance Commission. And key topics include like resource sharing between the union, states and the goods and service tax. And students should also study economic trends such as employment generation, land reforms, and the role of science and technology in agriculture, industrial growth and rural development programs. And the social issues like population, education, health, employment, poverty are also a part of the syllabus. Now number 2, Indian polity. Well, this part includes the Constitution of India and focusing on the preamble and key features of the Constitution and the structure of union state and union territories. And it covers topics like citizenship, fundamental rights and duties, and directive principle of state policy. And important areas include the union and state executive and legislature and local governance and panchayati raj. Now number 3, history and culture of India. Well, this session includes major historical periods like the Indus Valley civilization and the region of the Guptas, Delhi Sultans, Mughals and Marathas along with a focus on South Indian history. And culture topics include the character of Indian culture and the idea of unity in diversity and the aspects like race, language and customs. And it also highlights India's identity as a secure nation. Now number 4, geography. Well, geography topics includes the Earth's locations, physical features and India's monsoon, rainfall, weather and climate patterns. And it also covers water resources, major rivers, types of soil, minerals, nature and natural resources, forest, wildlife and a pattern of agriculture. And students should also study transport and communication systems, population, density and distribution in both Tamil Nadu, and India. Well, this syllabus designed to test candidates' awareness of key social, political, economic, and environmental issues in India and Tamil Nadu. And to download the TNPSC Group 4 notification 2025, follow these simple steps. So first, visit the official website, TNPSC website at www.tnpsc.gov.in, and on the home page, look for the announcement section. And there you will find the link for the TNPSC Group 4 notification 2025. And click on that link and it will be take you to take a new page. And on the page, you can view the full notification in PDF format. And finally, click the download button and save the PDF to your device. And you can also take a printout it for your future reference. So that's all the essential information you need to know about the TNPSC Group 4 notification 2025. So don't miss this opportunity to secure a government job in Tamil Nadu. So start your preparation today and till then keep watching Jagran Josh.